Our SAI number is so high, this can't be right. Hey everyone, I'm Tina Steele, the FAFSA Guru. If you like what I have to say, be sure to give me a follow. I have been getting this comment so often within the last couple of months. Families and students getting the results of their FAFSA and seeing a student aid index number that seems extremely high based on their income and assets. So in this video, I want to talk to you about what this SAI number is and how to determine how much financial aid you might get and what is actually considered a high SAI number. So the student aid index is a number that is derived based on a federal methodology the government does on the FAFSA form, taking into consideration assets and investments for students and their spouses if they're married, or for students and parents if students are dependent. With this SAI number, what happens is every college financial aid office takes their cost of attendance all in, so tuition, fees, room and board, books and supplies. They subtract a student's student aid index number to come up with their financial need. So let's say the college is $50,000 and the student aid index number is $30,000. In this scenario, the student's financial need would be $20,000. Then the college is going to meet anywhere between 10 and 100% of that financial need, depending on the particular college. So if it's a college that meets 100% of a financial need, then that student would see about $20,000 in need-based financial aid. If it's a college that only meets 50% of financial need, then the student would see about $15,000 in need-based aid, plus any merit scholarship money that they were awarded, in addition to a direct student loan that every student is awarded. So the SAI number, it can seem really high. In most cases, once a family starts earning up above $70,000 or $75,000 a year, that SAI number can easily be 25 to 30% of your annual income, which is crazy, I know. So middle income families get hit the hardest when it comes to financial aid because of this equation. So the higher that SAI number, the less financial aid you're going to qualify for. And unfortunately, there are only around 80 to 90 colleges across the US that actually meet 100% of a student's financial need. Now remember, a student's financial need is determined by taking the cost of attendance and subtracting the student aid index number. So even if it's a college that meets 100% of financial need, that student aid index number is going to determine how much financial aid the student is going to receive. Now, you'll see a lot of videos out there, or a lot of marketing from different consultants that will say, we can help you slash your SAI in half. You have to be careful, because I educate people all the time about this, and there is a way for you to get that SAI number reduced, but that is typically through what's called reporting special circumstances directly to the college financial aid office. So when you're filling out the 25-26 FAFSA, it's based on 23 income. If your 24 income is going to be less than 23, or if your 23 income was significantly inflated due to a one-time source of income, or you had significant medical or dental expenses in the household, or elder care expenses, or anything financially like that, that the FAFSA is not taking into consideration, with the exception of debt, because college financial aid offices will not consider that, then you can report those special circumstances directly to the college financial aid office. They can then use that new information to recalculate the FAFSA information, which will change that student aid index number, and in that case it could cut the SAI number in half. But that's really the only way that could happen. Or if you filled out the FAFSA and you're going through a recent divorce or separation, that might be another way that the SAI number could be reduced. So I know it's frustrating, especially for middle income families. Even for low income families who have an SAI index number of 0 or negative 1,500, which is like the lowest SAI number that you can receive, they still might not get enough financial aid unless they're going to a college that meets 100% of a student's financial need. Because if your SAI number is 0 and the college costs $50,000,